At K2, we're essentially growth investors in the international markets. And what we're doing is we are trying to find these key areas of structural change that are occurring in the world where we can find growth somewhat independently of the cycle. Then we look for the beneficiaries of that growth, and if we can get them at the right price, then that seems to us an obvious place to invest. Content owners we like at the moment because they are a benefit of a huge structural change that's occurring in the world today, which is obviously the internet. It's been a structural change for quite some time, but now it's moving into your living room with your ability to stream movies. To stream this movie, you are probably watching over the internet. And all of that comes into your living room, it comes to your iPad, it comes to your handheld device, eventually it'll come to your car. And so that means your propensity to consume content has increased significantly. Also, you don't have to wait for it to come on TV, you don't have to wait for it to come out on DVD. You can simply push a button and have that content in your hands straight away. So the producers of the best content now have a wider audience that is more readily able to consume that content in more multiple touch points than they had previously. So our assumption out of that is that the content consumption will increase at a step change going forward, and that the best content will increase at a significantly step change. And so the best examples for us there are companies like Fox, companies like Disney, companies like AMC in the US that make the Breaking Bad series, ITV in the UK that makes X Factor. And so all of those things now come into your lounge room at a faster rate, and all of those companies are not expensive. We've got a company like Disney that essentially owns Marvel, Lucasfilms, ESPN and Pixar, plus the legacy Disney products, and it trades as essentially 15 times earnings, next year's earnings. So it's not pricing in the acceleration that we see, and so that to us looks like an opportunity.